Good afternoon and welcome to SirToshi's Bitcoin Chart Show. This is the Bitcoin forecast, the strength of the system, the health of the network, where we find out what's up with what is going down. Today's date is Wednesday, the 29th of June, 2022. Without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. Buy BSV.live, the best place to buy Bitcoin SV online, the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin. Right, here we go. Let's get on with these charts. Check it out. Right, we've got Coin BTC at $20,000.41. We've got B Crash, that's come down a bit as well, $104. And Fisher Price Cash at 0.00004. Anyway, BTC, BCH, XCC, they are all security offerings and economically worthless. So the only one they're interested in is Bitcoin, which is BSV, the original protocol, goes right back to the Genesis block. It hasn't changed, making it the real Bitcoin, the true Bitcoin, the genuine Bitcoin, and the world's first and only ever digital commodity, backed by the value of data sovereignty, making it the most valuable commodity on Earth, as it's an extension of our own personal freedoms and liberties. So look at this, $57. Absolute beauty, $57. Picking the genuine Bitcoin up for that, it's worth millions. Hash rate 0.2, network nodes 0.47, transactions 47%, a block size 98.1. Amazing. So remember, these are data management networks. No data flowing on the chain, no use. No use, no value. It's that simple. So the data, which is the block size, is uploaded by the transactions. The transactions are processed by the network nodes. The network nodes are what supply the hash rate, which cracks SHA-256 and creates blocks. And that is attracted to the price, which is meant to be representative of its value. But when education catches up with speculation, these speculative prices will soon match their fundamental values at zero, unless there is utility, which is data. Can you see where the data is? 98.1% on Bitcoin. That is value. So remember, hash rate is vanity, block size is sanity. So let's just have a quick look at the hash rate that is supplied by the network nodes. Check it out. Look at this. We've had a spike in the hash rate recently because the transaction volumes and data volumes were increasing, which means it was more profitable for the miners. It's coming down just slightly, but it means the hash rate has increased. So I will show you that in just a minute. So let's carry on with CoinDance. Here we go. Let's have a look at the blocks coming through. We've got a 681 megabyte block on Bitcoin, 563 megabyte block. Absolutely huge. Huge. Coin, we've got a 1.8 or 2.1. Well done them. That's literally 2.1 compared to 600. 600,000 megabytes. Good grief. Good grief. Or 681 megabytes compared to 2.1. Crazy. B Crash has got 4.8 or 5 or 5 megabyte block. Well done, but there's only one of them. Fisher Price Cash, what a joke. Can't even get all the blocks over a kilobyte, let alone a megabyte. Hash rate, upsy downsies. Hash rate follows price, follows value, follows utility, follows creativity, initiative, and intelligence. If you are intelligent and you apply creativity and initiative, you can make something useful. When something is useful, it can then create value. When it creates value, it can then develop a price. When it develops a price, it can then be measured against the cost of other goods and services and used as a medium of exchange. Boom, next. Proof of work by network, it's all coming over to Bitcoin because it's the only economically competitive network with any fundamental value. It's currently 5,574 times cheaper to transact on Bitcoin than Coin, and it's currently 1.4% more profitable to mine on SV. We'll take that. Daily average Bitcoin block size by network, Bitcoin absolutely smashing it. Absolutely smashing it. Transactions by network, Bitcoin winning. Transactions per block, Bitcoin winning. Fees USD on the way down. Look at that. Very good. Fees SirToshi's on the way down. That's fee per transaction. Now we've got block fee to block reward ratio. We want that going up, so it's still looking all right at the moment. Daily accumulated Bitcoin blockchain growth by network. Let's have a look at this in a comparison. Better comparison state. So if you want to know what the price is going to look like, here we go. Currently got a size of 4.39k thousand gigabytes. So that's 4.39 terabytes. Absolutely huge. All right, so let's have a look at global hash rate. 7 days. Here we go. Oh, just change that. There we go. Global hash rate 7 days. Global hash rate 24 hours. Oh, Binance ramping up these last 24 hours. Wonder where their hash rate is. Oh, look, it's all on BTC, would you believe it? That's really funny. Other miners with 3.4% on BTC. Look, Tal is not mining BTC, and it doesn't even look like SBI Crypto is mining BTC either. That's a huge telltale sign. B Crash, again, we've got a little bit of SBI Crypto on there. Other miners keeping the profitability in check. But this is Bitcoin. Look at this. So SBI Crypto with 32% and other miners with 36%. See, like other miners having to increase the hash rate to make it more competitive in order to reduce the profitability, to keep it in check with the other shitcoins. So honestly, the profitability on Bitcoin when the number goes up is just going to be absolutely astronomical, which will bring them all over. But currently, the reason we don't want any shitcoin enterprises mining the chain is because the only thing they understand is dollar worshipping, which leads on to price manipulation that we will look at now in the short positions. Here we go. So this is Bitcoin. So look, short positions going up slightly. Traders going to get absolutely wrecked. Look at the longs down here. Good grief. So there's an 89% short ratio. Crazy. And this is Coolcoin BTC. No economic value here whatsoever. And they've only got a 1.5 short ratio. Good grief. Crazy. BitInfo charts, where are we now? 22.1% of the overall volume of transactions on the Bitcoin network comparatively. That's, yeah, I mean, it's growing slowly. I saw it as high as, I think it was 26.3 just yesterday. So, yeah, that'll be mainly crypto fights, but more transaction volume coming on. So any newbies wondering what a mining operation looks like, this is it. These are the mining nodes. This is the backbone to the new global financial system, the world's first ever commercial internet. Absolutely sensational stuff. Chainalytics, let's have a look at block size. So Bitcoin SV, a block size 85. That's in comparison to the next in line. Oh, Bcrash currently with a 1.2. What a joke. Honestly, nowhere near it. So these are all the proof of work coins. They're the only coins that could potentially have any economic value. But Bcrash is deleting transaction data. Coolcoin has had the segregated witness activated. Litecoin's got a centralized starting point. Monero is deleting transaction data. Ethereum has a centralized starting point. Cardano has a single miner. And Doge's got an inflationary supply, meaning they're all absolute pieces of garbage. There is only Bitcoin. Coin Carbon Cap, let's have a look at this. So they're still not listing Bitcoin because it goes against all the narrative of how proof of work is meant to be inefficient. Crazy. Scaling test network. So we've had a 1.6 gigabyte block mined on the main net. Yeah, very good. Right. Protocols. The Meta ID data. The data volume going down. Well, let's have a look at transactions. So Run protocol still with 232,000 transactions in 24 hours. That's huge. I'll have a look at crypto fights right now. Where are we? Crypto fights. So that was like 201,000. Now it's 215,000. Loving that. Loving that. Trends.cash, apps ranking by money spent. Yep, DXS and TDXP. Remember, dirty traders can be unsullied on TDXP app. Apps ranking by performed actions. Loving that. Crypto Quant, yeah, always just checking the exchanges cashing out. What's on chain? Good question. What is on chain? Currently 26,863 transactions in the memory pool, totaling 297 megabytes. Hash rate 585. We've had 821,000 transactions in the last 24 hours. Very good. Whale Wallet last movement was on the 20th of June. The morning run, again, no movement on purchases there. Bad luck. Live Coin Watch. So market cap of Bitcoin currently with a 24-hour trade volume of just 3.45%. That is on its way down. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. There we go. Buried amongst all of this lot. Number 45. The only protocol that can commoditize data. The only one with any genuine economic value. Look at that. And the value for money is increasing as the price goes down. Loving that. 1.9 million bids versus 1.5 million asks. Price is on the way up. Very good. Here we go. So this is a CoinGecko. Let's have a look at this. All right, here we go. Number 49 in CoinGecko. How are we feeling about it today, CoinGecko? Feeling good. 74%. Good. Let's have a look at this this bomb. This is Tether. Dear oh dear. So still depegging out of the acceptable zone. Let's have a look at market cap over 7 days. Yeah. Had quite a severe drop off. That's 1 month. Let's have a look at the price chart here. Ooh, BSV on the way down. Better value for money. Oh yeah. And let's have a look at Bitcoin versus BTC. BTC just winning slightly over these last few days after this epic rise. Let's have a look at Core Coin versus USD. So had a huge fall there and struggling to regain. And look, that's on the way down as well, comparatively. Struggling, and the only reason it stopped going down was because Binance pumped $2 billion in there. It's all manipulation. It's really not looking good. There is no utility, no use case. If something is useless, it is worthless. So that's all they're trying to do, trying to flog a dead horse. Oh dear. Coinbase Global down 85%, still tumbling. MicroStrategy on its way down 66.6%. Oh, don't really want to record that number, do you, Michael? Silverfish, 1,192 views. Come on, it's going up by about 10 views every 24 hours. That's accelerating. So there we go. We'll leave you there. Hope you enjoyed the show. As ever, be aware, take care, stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.